Your website usually starts with a home page, which is more like if somebody types the URL of your website, it will land up on that particular page. Now, quite often people confuse the home page with the landing page. I will explain the difference in one subsequent quick bite. The home page is more of an executive summary of the objective of your website and why you're creating it. So, if you're a product manufacturer, you could tell something about yourself, you could tell something about your products, you could publish a few key critical testimonials, you could list down some services that you provide. You could also add a small contact section, maybe add a video or two to give a brief overview of what you do and why do you do it and how do you enthrall your customers. If you're a coach, it could list down various program offerings that you have, which are the popular programs that you conduct, and of course, various videos in form of a grid could be very, very useful for that matter. This page, what we call the home page, has the power to retain or repulse the visitors of your website. There is something that we learned in the corporate world called the elevator pitch. So the idea is that if you were stuck in an elevator for just a few minutes with the top boss of your organization, what would you say so that you could create an impression? And that is what the homepage is all about. So here the top boss is your website visitor. To make it effective, you have to be short, you have to be snappy, and on one page convey the key objective of whatever you are offering, even if the offer is related to your capabilities for a new job. So I hope you enjoyed these tips. Have a good day.